Hello, Superior Blinds customers. We would like to say thank you for embracing and using the brand new Superior Blinds online ordering platform. Today's Superior Blinds how-to video will be showing you how to toggle on and toggle off the right-click option supporting tablet view on a tablet or an iPad device. The issue, if you're on tablet view and you're not able to right-click on a line to view more options, this is how you fix it. Please go to superiorblindsmfg.com. Order online next. Click on this. Then from there, make sure that you don't have any extra spaces in the front or behind your login information. By doing that, it'll help you log in quicker. Now type in your password and hit submit. And then from there, your platform will pop up. Go to your gears option, top right hand corner. Click on that. Scroll all the way down. Substitute, look for this information. Substitute right click with click. This represents that this is on. This represents that it's off. You need to make sure while you're on tablet view, this is green. And by activating this change, you hit OK. Change options required, browser refresh. Please save all work before continuing. Do you want to continue? Yes, we do. This will activate the change, and now the capabilities of right click is no longer there. All you have to do is click on the line while in tablet view, and you will see more options. Thank you so much. I hope this video was helpful and beneficial in solving your problems. Thank you again, and we appreciate your business. Superior Blinds Manufacturing, your source of quality blinds, shades, and exterior shade solutions.